Hypnosis is something that you can do for yourself, and it's something that you've already been doing for yourself. And it's not even anything that you have to believe. Instead, I want you to think about you are teaching your brain how to interact and change or update its story. It's all the story. All of your experience is perception. Even in your physical body, you can change things. Physiological things can change through the power of your brain. It is so exciting, and that's why I want to give you these techniques. But of course, I don't want you to feel limited by any of my recipes of the techniques. And so instead, I come with this clarity of the equation to this philosophy. Step 1, that you are living in a hypnosis experience. And step 2, you can change that. What are the instructions on how you change that? They can be as subjective as you knowing that you want change. You knowing that you want change is going to inspire your brain to make that change. First, get clear on what you want your outcome to be. And as clear as you can make this, most people are focused on problem, the reasons, the limited story as to why they don't have the outcome. Your brain really can only focus and associate, meaning experience, one state at a time. And so you're either with or without. And of course, I want you to be with that outcome, with that solution, oriented, associated to the experience of your potential. All of it is electricity. It's just energy. It's biochemical matter vibrating at potential energy. So as you want to assimilate that potential, get clear on what it is, the outcome that you want. And I'm talking in these big words and these broad terms, but what most people's brains really want are the stepping stones. So if you can chunk down that big goal into digestible feelings or visuals or sounds, things that your body could experience. What does confidence taste like? What does peacefulness smell like? Ask your brain these questions and it will find the answers. These are subjective answers. It is irrelevant for your answer to match someone else's answer. And your answers likely would be different at different times of asking. You're just asking in that one moment because hypnosis is always a live experience. And this is why it is my mission with Modern Day Hypnosis and the ambassador that I am, supporting this message to be out there and given to all who want change or have goals, is to know that hypnosis is not a thing that has to happen with your eyes closed. It is not a trance state. Instead, all states are varies of trance. And so I want you to wake up from anything that has been limiting to you. And so every Monday, 6 p.m. Eastern, you can join for free for a 45 to 60-minute workshop. We'll go in as many goals as we can get to in that meeting. You can bring your individual goals and needs for free for hypnosis, which hypnosis can really support anything for habits, emotions, physiological changes, pain, chronic pain relief. It is so incredible, this power of your mind, but please don't anticipate that I've got any sort of medical guarantee that I'm providing. Instead, the potential is there and your brain is willing to learn, no matter how resistant you may feel your brain is for change, or no matter how complicated it may have sounded when I was using words to really describe this ancient, time-tested art. Join me for free. There is nothing to lose, and I completely welcome all skeptics. And thank you for your time and watching. This is Lauren with Modern Day Hypnosis. Be back soon.